Do you ever feel like you and your partner are two ships passing in the night? You love each other, but the stress of daily life can create a quiet distance. Often, our physical connection becomes logistical, a quick peck on the cheek or a brief pat on the shoulder as we rush to the next task. While these moments are sweet, they aren't quite enough to bridge the emotional gap created by a long, stressful day. That's because stress floods our bodies with cortisol, a hormone that keeps us in fight or flight mode, making true intimacy feel out of reach. But there is a biological shortcut to reconnection. It's called the oxytocin reset, and it's simpler than you think. Research shows it takes approximately 7 seconds of full-body contact for your brain to trigger a powerful change. In those 7 seconds, the pituitary gland releases oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, directly into your bloodstream. Oxytocin naturally lowers your cortisol, promoting feelings of safety, trust, and deep emotional closeness almost instantly. So, how do you perform the 7-second sync? It's a daily ritual designed to bring you back to center. Step 1. Once per day, find a quiet moment and step into a full-body embrace, chest to chest, heart to heart. Step 2. Do not speak. No problem solving, no logistical talk about the kids or the bills. Just be silent. Step 3. Focus on your breathing. Try to relax your shoulders and feel the weight of your partner against you. Hold this position for a slow count of 7. It might feel longer than you're used to, but stay with it. At first, it might feel a little awkward, and that's perfectly normal. We aren't always used to being this still together. Lean into that awkwardness. It's just your body learning to let its guard down and reconnect. Commit to this once every day. Whether it's the moment you get home or right before bed, make it your non-negotiable sync-up. Over time, these small, intentional moments transform the foundation of your relationship, building a deep sense of safety. 7 seconds. It's a tiny fraction of your day, but it's a massive investment in your love. You don't need a grand gesture to stay connected. You just need to show up for each other, one hug at a time.
Try your first 7-second sync tonight. You'll be amazed at how much closer you feel.
Sophie explained that beautifully. Now you can build on this 7-second oxytocin reset by accessing the other practical, science-backed strategies I've mapped out inside my 38-page intimacy guide. Click the link in the pinned comment below to get your copy for just $14 US, and let's start rebuilding that deep connection tonight.